Today's conference is on strengthening linkages between industry and academia. There's a lot of good research that's happening in academic institutions or research labs. At the same time, industry is also trying to be competitive. So we are trying to establish a strong mechanism and recommendations through this seminar, whereby these linkages are strengthened so that academic institutions can benefit through the participation of industry on campuses, and parallelly industry can benefit from the outcome of the R&D that happens on campuses and on our research establishments. We figured that these links are weak, and we've decided that there is a need for industry and academia to work together in strengthening these links, in creating an enabling environment so that participants can work together towards more enabling research and for strengthening and making our companies more competitive. At the same time, there is also a need for creating capacity for research. There is a need for creating capacity for skilling and also upgrading our curriculum. And this hand-holding has to again come from industry in guiding academic institutions, strengthen the curriculum and the other facilities. So this linkages of research, academics, industrial production, and innovation, all this is essential for us to become a competitive nation, and that is what this seminar is all about. We have participants from abroad who have come, talking about the models that they adopt in their country. We have a lot of our research scientists like Dr. Kakodkar. We have industry leaders from all over the country. We have heads of IITs and IIMs who are here. We have heads of institutions. So I hope it will be a very, very stimulating seminar, and there would be good recommendations which will be very clear on the way forward towards strengthening these linkages. No, I think today also we are seeing that the students who are coming out are not necessarily industry ready, and the industry is spending a lot of resources in retraining them to be industry ready. So that is also another objective of the seminar, that how do we pick up curriculum, how do we give them adequate exposure while they are on the campus itself so that they are industry ready. So that is the whole objective, so that our children, our students are more employable, not only for our industry, but globally they would be competitive.